Hello students, hope that all of you are well. In our previous video, we have discussed about the Chunmun and Tuk story from your Treasure of Value subject. Today, we have discussed about the question answers from the story. Before we started the discussion about the question answer, we just repeat our moral of the story. What is the moral of the story? It is important to be disciplined in our life. Self-discipline prevents us from being lazy and delaying our work. If we practice self-discipline, we can learn anything faster and better. I hope all of you read the story very well and understand the moral. Now we will go directly to the question and answer part. I share a screen with you. Why did Chunmun enjoy living in his home? Chunmun enjoyed living in his home because it was very comfortable as it had all the facilities. There was warm water to bathe, lots of food to eat, and plenty of clothes to wear. Question number 2. Who came to live with Chunmun? Chunmun's friend Tuk Tuk came to live with him. Question number 3. What was Tuk Tuk's everyday routine? Every day, Tuk Tuk went for a walk to get food and other necessary things. Number 4. How did Tuk Tuk help Chunmun? Tuk Tuk helped Chunmun when the winter came. He helped him to dig a tunnel through the snow and also got food for both of them. Number 5. What lesson did Chunmun learn? Chunmun was very lazy. As he had all the facilities to live comfortable, he thought that he did not have to work hard. But when the winter came, he felt hungry as there had no food left at home. Tuk Tuk, his friends who always maintained self-discipline, taught him the right lesson of life, that self-discipline prevents us from being lazy and delaying our work. Now go to the next part, tick the correct option. Chunmun and Tuk Tuk were friends or brothers. Answer is friends. Chunmun was very lazy or disciplined. Chunmun was very lazy. Tuk Tuk was very lazy or disciplined? Tuk Tuk was very disciplined. The weather was extremely cold or extremely hot? The weather was extremely cold. Now complete the following sentences. Chunmun likes to spend his time in his home as it had all the facilities. Number 2. Despite the cold weather, Tuk Tuk was all set to go out in the cold weather as he was quite habitual of going out. Number 3. Chunmun started crying because he felt hungry in the terrible cold and thought he would die soon. Number 4. Tuk Tuk helped Chunmun by digging a tunnel through the snow and got food for both of them and saved his life. Now we go to the next part, that is formative assessment. Here are the some pictures where we have to tick the ones that you should do and cross out the ones that you should not do. In the first picture, we can see a boy wake up early near about 6 o'clock in the morning. It's a very good habit, so we put a tick mark here. Number 2 picture, a boy eating his food by watching the TV. It's not a good thing, so we put a cross mark here. In the third picture, a girl put her books in a proper manner. So it's a very good habit. We can put a tick mark here. Number 4. a girl help the old man to cross the road. It's a very good habit. So put a tick mark here. Now it's your duty to make a timetable for you which you have to follow regularly for your study and maintaining self-discipline. So students, please learn all the chapters carefully again and the question answers properly. Thank you.